In the last class, I showed you how to change your website so that you can send it to anybody, not just people here in Yorktown Community School District. So I'm logged into my Google Drive, and here's my website. So I'm going to click on it to open it up. And when we first published our website, what it did was it made it where anybody can see it, but you have to have a Yorktown Community Schools email address, and you have to be logged into that email address in order to be able to view the site. And that's for security reasons, and for the most part, things that you do here in school, you don't necessarily want to send out to just anybody. But in this particular case with this website, we want anybody to be able to see it so that they can take our survey. So we had originally published our site. So what we did was we clicked on the down arrow and said unpublish and say got it. And what this does is it actually takes it down from the internet. So if somebody has your link and they go to it now, they're not going to be able to view your website. And that's okay because we're about to publish it again anyway. So we're going to hit publish this time. And then right now, who can view my site? Mine says anyone, but yours says anyone within Yorktown Community Schools. So we're going to click on Manage. And again, right here, yours says anyone within Yorktown Community Schools. So we're going to click Change. And so right now, this is the one that's selected for you. You're going to click on this radio button so that anyone can find and view the published version. And we're going to hit Save. Now, when you look here, yours should say published. Anyone can view and find. Go ahead and say done. And then publish it again. So now the website's live, and anybody with your website link is able to go and view your website.